Hi guys, it's Slingy. I'm back again with another video. So today I wanted to share with you guys what products I use on my skin, because a lot of people have been asking me what is my secret, which products do I use. Well, I don't have a secret, but I do have actually two products that I use on my face to get this glowy look. And these two products that I use, one, this is coconut oil, which I bought on my local store, and this is Calamine. I use these two products to get that glow on my face. I don't have money to buy expensive products, so these products can do me just good. So I'm going to show you how I apply these two products. I need my mirror. I'm going to mix together the Calamine. I'm going to rub it on my face. Coconut oil is very good for the skin. It's not harmful. Very good. And now I'm gonna seal it off with Calamine. I'm gonna use my, I don't know what this is called, but I'm gonna use, so I'm just going to join these two products together. As you can see, the glow is coming. These are the products that I use. Okay, as you can see guys, my face is still the same, but what I'm going to tell you is that I've never had such beautiful skin like this. I have a dry skin. I'm suffering from dry skin, so I don't know how I found out about these products, but I think I was just mixing products together because my skin was very bad. It was very bad. It used to be very dry. Whenever I apply maybe Vaseline or Dawn onto my skin or face, my skin would get very dry. So no one taught me this method. I found out on my own just by mixing products. These two products, whenever I'm going out, I put these two. It saved my skin a lot, especially Calamine. It says whenever I'm going out and it's sunny, I make sure that I put coconut oil and then I put Calamine. Calamine is very good. It protects you from the sun, and yeah, it's very good. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I would really appreciate for you guys to subscribe on my channel and leave a comment if you want to, or you can just leave a heart, please, to say that you support me and you love my content. And I'll see you next time. Bye.